So, Dave, how do you see Manitou evolving their product? Certainly, a lot of possibilities to take advantage of that direct line of communication between the consumer and the company regarding their data, and the ability of the consumer to communicate preferences on the use of that data.
Well, I see eventually companies taking their more risky data sets and moving it into our platform because our platform really leverages all of the good emerging technologies to make the data super safe. And for another podcast, because I'm not the guy to talk about this, absolutely not. But our team are some of the best distributed ledger blockchain people in the world, right? So we actually have the founder of the Hyperledger blockchain on our team, right? Hyperledger has 12 maintainers. Four of the 12 maintainers work for Manitou. So we have a deep, deep, deep understanding on the underpinnings of blockchain technology. Interestingly, our core platform does not use blockchain, but we leverage tons of the concepts to make the data secure and highly, 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 highly encrypted, right? So I can see we develop our product that people that have very sensitive data will want to put it on our platform. Another piece of our platform is the way we encrypt the data is at a very low level, right? So every attribute can be associated with an identity, and what we call artifacts, which are documents and media, can also, at a very granular level, be associated with an identity. So I think in the future, people, and we're talking with people about this, when they want to share data among a trusted network, whatever that data is, personal data or otherwise, our platform is built in a way that really enables that. So, what we're really talking about are applications, right? So our first application of our platform is in the data privacy space, right? But because the platform is really what we lacked in our large enterprise world around security, around governance, around the ability to share data at a granular level, around a company's concern with unknown actors gaining access to the network. That's all stuff that we were struggling with in our prior lives. So we built a platform that frankly did all those things, right? And so when we talk with customers, what's been exciting for me is that there are some customers that are actually not even subject to the data privacy laws, but they're using our platform for other reasons than compliance with data privacy, right? So that to me kind of validates that the data privacy people may also want to start using our platform for things unrelated to data privacy.
So, give me a compelling example.
Well, a compelling example is that, and again, I'll need to get the technology guys to
You
this.
can high level. It's
But yeah,
okay.
but at a high level, fundamentally what happens is when a data subject opens up a digital wallet and that digital wallet, gives him transparent or her transparent access to their data, the more users, the more enterprise customers we have that end at that endpoint, you're creating a very, very strong digital identity with that endpoint, right? And so you start to know, this guy who's, coming in from his cell phone, right, or logging in from his desktop has, a verified relationship on our network with 15 separate service providers. I'm really sure that that guy is who he says he is. So we start to create a super strong digital identity. Then you start thinking about, okay, how can I leverage that super strong digital identity? Right? So let's say hypothetically a bank is using Manitou and the customer has already gone through KYC AML, right? And that heavy lift has been done by our bank customer. Another bank customer that our consumer wants to have a relationship with should be able to rely on the work that was done at the first bank because we know that this endpoint is who they say they are.